Let's make a dandelion plant-infused vinegar. Making vinegars is easy and they are quite versatile. You will need some apple cider vinegar, a cutting board and a knife, a jar with a lid, some parchment paper, and the herbs you'll be making your vinegar with. If you are adding roots and leaves, start by chopping up the roots. Be careful using your knife and have a grown-up help you if you need help. Be sure to chop your roots up into small pieces. Next, chop up your leaves and add them to the jar. You'll want to fill your jar with the roots and the leaves to about 3/4 full. Now pour your apple cider vinegar into the jar to fill it up. It's best to use an organic apple cider vinegar that has not been pasteurized so you can gain the medicinal benefits from the vinegar as well. Once your jar is full, tear a piece of parchment paper to place between the jar and the lid. This will help prevent the vinegar from corroding the metal lid. If you are using a plastic lid, you can skip this step. Shake your vinegar well every day and let it sit for at least 3 to 4 weeks before using. When you're ready to strain your herbs off, you can strain them off or leave the herbs in the vinegar and add them to salads. Now it's time to strain off your vinegar. Shake your jar first and then open it up. Place a mesh strainer into a glass measuring cup and pour the vinegar into the strainer. Return the strained vinegar back to the jar and let the herbs sit for about an hour or so to finish straining, or use a metal spoon to press the remaining vinegar out of the herbs. Replace the parchment and the cap back on the jar and add a label to your jar. Herbal vinegars have a long shelf life and don't need to be refrigerated. Use them like you would any vinegar for adding to foods, in a household cleaning formula, or a spoonful in a cup of water.